Amazon is the biggest e-commerce marketplace in the world, and people are making thousands of dollars through Amazon affiliate marketing. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create review videos of Amazon products with one click using just AI. AI is here to revolutionize the game. Here's how. Imagine a tool that lets you take an Amazon product link and with a few clicks, generate a cool product review video. No filming, no editing, just pure AI magic. This is exactly what AI-powered video creation tools can do. They use fancy algorithms to analyze product information, images, and even reviews, and then whip up an attention-grabbing video showcasing the product's features and benefits. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Let's dive into how you can use this tech to your advantage. Let's talk niches. Here is my suggestion. Aim for those micro niches. Think kitchen gadgets, travel gear, cool accessories, you name it. These micro niches usually have less competition, giving you a better shot at standing out. Head over to Amazon and find any product. For example, in this case, I'll search for travel gears. You'll see that there are many different travel gears available on Amazon. If you want to find the best one, you just need to go to the filters and choose the best seller from here. Now you'll see all the highly rated travel gears. For this example, I will go with diaper bag backpack. You can also see here that about 3,000 people bought this same bag backpack just in the last month, and their price is over $40. Now, let's check out the difficulty of the diaper bag backpack. Keyword on YouTube. I'm going to use TubeBuddy for this one. You'll see that over 13 million people are searching for this single keyword monthly, and the competition is labeled as fair. Here's the deal, you want to niche down. This will make your video stand out fast and give you a solid foundation to tackle more competitive keywords later on. So, scout out some of these related keywords here to find one with a high search volume and low competition. That way, your video will have a smooth ride to the top of the YouTube rankings. And with higher rankings comes more views, which means more affiliate sales and commissions for you. Let's crunch some numbers to show you what I mean. Say the backpack you're working with sells for $47. If your review video gets, say, 10,000 views and just 1% of viewers buy through your affiliate link, you'll be looking at a cool $4,700 from 100 sales. Not too shabby, huh? Now that you've got your product locked in for your review video, let's dive into the AI tools that can whip up these videos for you. There are tons of options out there, each with its own perks and pricing. So do your homework. Look for tools that offer easy-to-use interfaces, variety of video templates to match your vibe, customizable scripts and voiceover options. Finally, look for a tool with a reasonable pricing plan. Remember, you want to find a tool that helps you churn out top-notch engaging videos without emptying your wallet. And that's where VideoMagic comes in. Introducing VideoMagic AI, your go-to for generating videos that streamline the buyer's journey from discovery to purchase. It works wonders for e-commerce, real estate, and even music. Ready to turn your Amazon product link into a killer video? Hit that sign up button and create your account. Once you're in, you'll find all the tools you need on the left side. From creating single videos to stacking them up and using templates to bring your videos to life. Let's get cracking. Alright, let's dive into selecting a template. Head over to the Templates tab, where you'll find a treasure trove of options for e-commerce, real estate, commercial realty, and music videos. Each category comes packed with subcategories, so you'll have plenty to choose from. Since we're working with an Amazon product link, let's navigate to the e-commerce section. Here, you'll find subcategories like highlights, snapshot, best sellers, sale, single review, multi-review, new arrivals, and more. Each subcategory boasts a bunch of pre-made, easily customizable templates. Hover your cursor over any template to check out a sneak peek. Once you find the perfect fit, click on it to open it up. You'll be redirected to a page where you can see the aspect ratio and preview the video below. Beside the video preview, you'll find the template name, requirements, like the number of images needed, which in this case is 6 images and 1 video. Then you have the supported platforms Amazon and Shopify, and the credit cost, in this case, 95 credits. Again, this template need at least 6 images and 1 video clip to work their magic. So make sure your product has enough visuals to meet these requirements. In this case, the bag backpack has 6 images and even more videos, more than enough for my selected template. Now hit the select button, and you'll be presented with two options: fetching content from the URL or entering content manually. Since we're dealing with an Amazon product link, let's go with fetching content from the URL. On the next page, you'll need to input some data. Start by selecting the platform, in this case, Amazon. Let's keep this train rolling. So, I'm selecting Amazon as my platform. Now, it's time to give our video a catchy title. For example, I'm making a video about the Babelroo Diaper Bag Backpack. Copy the product URL and paste it into VideoMagick. Next, it's keyword time. Since I'm all about diaper bag backpack, I'm typing in stuff like Babelroo Diaper Bag Backpack, Best Diaper Bag Backpack, Best Babelroo Diaper Bag Backpack under $50, and so on. Now, pick one or more aspect ratios that suit your needs. Each ratio shows which platforms the video will work best on. I'm going with 16:9 for that sleek look. Once you've filled in all the deets, head to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find two options: I'm feeling lucky and change video assets. I'm going with the lucky vibe, so hit that button. VideoMagick will start whipping up your video, and you can track its progress. It usually takes around a minute to work its magic. Once it's done, you'll see the status ready, and voila, your video's good to go. Take a peek at the final product.
Perfect for on-the-go parents, our spacious diaper backpack comes with a foldable changing mat, stroller straps, and a detachable pacifier holder. With 2 main compartments, 5 insulated pockets, and a dedicated changing pad, you'll have plenty of storage for all your baby essentials. It's made with tear-resistant and water-resistant fabric for durability and comfort. Plus, enjoy 20-year Cofran customer service and a 180-day warranty.
Slick visuals, essential text, and a killer voiceover. Trust me, this video is ready to rock on YouTube. What's your take? Drop a comment below. Now, once the video's done, if it needs some tweaking, hit Edit Video from here. You can jazz up the video title, add some killer search tags, and customize the visuals. To swap out an image or video, just click Change. You'll see all the images from your product page, and you can even upload your own. Once you've picked your new image, hit Save. Next up, let's talk video clips. You can swap out the clip used in your video with another one from the Amazon page. Play 'em, find the perfect fit, and select it. Now, onto the voices. VideoMagick's got 4 voice actors: Hudson, Evelyn, Jennifer, and Speaking. Give them all a listen and pick your favorite. Now, onto the script. Tweak it if needed to add that personal touch. Then, it's onto the aspect ratio, pick one or more to suit your vibe. Hit Next, and VideoMagick will whip up another version of your video. It'll take a second, so let's fast forward. And boom, there's your revamped video. Check out the fresh footage.
Perfect for on-the-go parents. Our spacious diaper backpack comes with a foldable changing mat, stroller straps, and a detachable pacifier holder with 2 main compartments, 5 insulated pockets, and a dedicated changing pad. You'll have plenty of storage for all your baby essentials. It's made with tear-resistant and water-resistant fabric for durability and comfort. Plus, enjoy 24/7 customer service.
It's more engaging and powerful now, right? To download it, just click Download. Now, let's talk Moola. The only 2 AI tools I know of that turns links to videos are Flicky and VideoMagick. Just like Flicky, VideoMagick's subscription starts at $49 a month for 1,000 credits, or $99 for 2,500. But wait, there's more. You can snag a lifetime subscription through AppSumo for just $69. Yeah, you heard me right. A lifetime deal for just $69. It's usually $420, so that's a steal. Check out the link in the description to grab this sweet deal. With that, I will wrap up. Share your thoughts and results in the comments below. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials.